Hello guys! So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So nandito kami ngayon sa sasakyan. So papunta kami ngayon sa Lao iTech guys. Kasama namin ang Fembam. Ayan sila. Si Munching. Day off ngayon. Kaya mamamasyal. Mamamasyal. Magtingin-tingin lang. Titignan natin kung anong meron doon. Ayan guys. Nandito si Madam Mary.
Hello. And Mary's over here. Mary, say hi. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ginawa mo na ng laruan to. Tinabunan mo na? Pinsan mo? Ginawa mo barbilan? Malapit na kami guys. Baby cousin. Tayo dadan.
Look what's happening.
Hello, Ate Mary.
I'm
Yes.
so we call me so Papa and Mama and me are your family. So we say Adin, our Adin. Baby.
Hindi yan.
Wow, it's the level to my view and all I Melu to my heart.
Antu. Si Antu. Antu.
And two,
Yes. Two.
it's the same. Toot.
Yeah.
Two.
You say, ako. You say, ako. Ako. You say, ako. Repeat after me. Ako.
My hair is getting longer.
Mary. Mary. You say, ako. Ma. An. Tut.
Yeah.
Ano yun?
Do
you understand? Do you understand? That means you're beautiful. Masakit. It means you're so smells good. Very. Ako maantut. You say ako maantut. It means you smell good. Huh? Yeah. Smells good. Ako maantut.
I love Ray. But sometimes when Mary's mad to me when she go up, I still love her.
Up and up.
But I was gonna tell her naman.
What's that?
I was gonna tell you, I think, and you were gonna talk to Ray.
Ito, mystery pala cafe. Yun nga. Malapit na sa live. Oh, di ba? Ang parmahan ni Mary. Oh. Eh, sabi mo, yung. Dada. Dance ka din. Yung. Yung. Nakadress na sa ka-rubber shoe. Seryoso naman ang baby namin, Ana. Wow, ballerina. Ballerina na naka-shoes. Ano? You have?
I have magic and I have magic.
Oh, you can open the door. You have magic. Because you can open the door, no? Oh. Ay, Mary! Wala yung money mo. Wala kang pera. Wala kang money. Anong why? Did you bring money? Hmm? Oh, so wala kang bibilhin, ha? You cannot buy anything. Because you don't have money. Okay, hold my hand. Hold my hand.
But I wanna.
Hold my hand. Come. Hanggang tingin. Just look lang ha, because you don't have money.
I have money.
Yeah, your money is at home. Hello guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Taipa. So yan, naghahanap ng salamin si Munching at lumalabo na daw ang kanyang paningin. Lalong lumalabo ang paningin niya pag yung presyo ay nasa 10 million. Ha? Yung pure black? Gusto mo nang may pure black? Ganyan talaga? Tingnan nga. Ito.
Hindi, yung ganito eh.
Gusto niya yung
Pero ito, parang pinanganak yung unang panahon. Parang mapadali ka po yan.
Hindi ah. Bakal eh. Ito ah.
Tingin.
Ito.
Ito, tingnan mo kung ano siya.
Padilya ka pala. Tol!
Si Riri, oh. Ganun mo nga, iyuko mo nga. Oh, ano ka, maglakad-lakad ka, ganun. Ang taas.
Dapat dito. Tumaisi.
Ay, sa kabila ba? Meron pa yata sa kabila. Ito sa...
Correct.
Ito naman na, snack
Don't
na.
like this.
Ito pa, meron pa dito sa labas, oh. Oh, sige nga.
I have eyeglasses.
Oh, yan, pwede din. Manipis lang. Ayan na.
1 million.
Oh, sige na.
Ha?
1 million
Okay na yan.
480.
Aray ko. Uy, very good.
Di ba nakasil ka?
Dito lang yata rin kasi.
Dami sa loti.
Ah, may 20% discount.
Oh, 1,100,000 na lang. From 1,400,000,
Frame pa.
Sina-check up po yung kanyang mata at magpapaglasses siya. Nagdalaw. Nagutom na si Merida. Ayan, kumakain na sila ng snack. It's 5:30 na din. 5:30 in the evening. Sabi na nan, tuwing kailan ka nahihilo. So sabi naman ito, kapag nandiyan ka, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Moms, bastos. Anong masasabi mo?
Ako din. Kapag nandiyan siya, sumasakit din yung ulo.
Parang,
Hindi lang ulo, pati yung sakit.
ha?
Baka kulang yan lang yan sa pera. Kaya sumasakit yung ulo.
Ewan ko sa inyo.
Ipo-compute na. Lumilinaw na yung mata, baka tumingin ka sa iba.
1 million, magkano? 1,774,000 ba?
Lali na yan natin.
Ayan. Eating fries. Si Rere naman. Anong kinakain mo, Re? You want fries too? Ha? Yum, yum?
Nagtusok ka
Yummy.
oh. Nagtusok ka oh.
Ito na kasi, oh.
Parang nagtusok ka.
Ah. Mer. Oo, water. Water para hindi mainitan yung mouth mo. Ano? Good?
Kabili na.
Huwag mo idikit sa table. Ah, dirty ang table eh. Akin na yung stick.
Okay, girl.
We were gonna go down soon eh. We were gonna get the eyeglasses of Tinocho. You have to pay.
Huh?
You have to pay.
I'm not paying today.
You have to pay. See?
Yeah.
There. Ate is waiting for you and then they were gonna ask you for money.
I don't want to go there.
Mary, did you say thank you na? Did you say thank you to Tita Isay for the fries?
Thank you for the fries. I want to play with Mama.
Kasi bababa na tayo mamaya, anak. Kukunin natin yung glasses ni...
Go here daytime, okay? Because it's nighttime, right?
Hello guys! So we are here at Vientiane Center. So yan, nag-crave kami ng popcorn. So bibili tayo ng popcorn dito sa Vientiane Center. Lumabas lang talaga kami para bumili ng popcorn guys. And kasama ko si Papa Jumar and si Mary. Ayan na siya.
So sad.
Why? Oo, doon tayo.
Papa, don't let me sing the hell. Papa, I sing, but I want to go to my hell. But Papa make me so sad.
It's okay, Mary. You can wear that one only in the house, okay? Okay?
I also want
Okay, calm down yourself first. Calm down yourself.
I want Mama hug me.
Calm down yourself first. Love you. Okay ka? Papa will hug you and kiss you. Oh, hug you na. Papa, hug na, hug na. Oh, diba? Ang bilis mag-shift ng emotion ni Mary. Ngayon, masaya na ulit siya. Kanina, iyak-iyak lang siya. Ngayon, masaya na siya. Mary! Hala, sige! Baby monkey. Press the elevator na. Up, up. What? What? Huh? What happened?
After that, can I press?
Hindi mo na i-press. Mag-open yan ng cruiser.
To. Yan. Press mo. Press mo na, para mag-open na. Yan. Go.
Huh? You can smell it? You can smell it?
Smell?
You
can smell it?
So please.
Yeah, I know. You want cheese popcorn?
I want this one, please.
How do you know that that's a cheese?
Huh?
How do you know that's a cheese?
What?
You want cheese? You want cheese?
Yeah, I want
Okay. Let's get the big one. Let's get the big one.
Just together.
Isa lang. Masyado lang halapan.
But we want sweet.
Mary, don't touch this one.
together.
This is dirty.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna taste it.
I'm so excited. Come here, come here, come. Thank you.
Where hi?
I got the popcorn na Mary Boo.
Papa,
I got the popcorn. Oop. Let's go. Are you ready to go home? Let's do movie night at home. Come on. Wait lang, wait lang. Hello guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa bahay. Naka-freshen up na rin kami. And hinihintay na lang namin si Papa Jumar kasi nag-ano pa siya, naliligo pa siya. And, ayun, tignan mo parang may beke ako pero tigyawat yan guys. Lumalaki yung aking tigyawat. Malaki siya. Ayan siya oh. Patubo pa lang. Parang may beke naman ako dito.
so we have a popcorn. See? We have a popcorn. It's holiday. Yay! We can say make a popcorn and it's yay! So guys, we buy this the popcorn because we were gonna watch today. That's right. We were gonna eat the popcorn, but I'm so sorry I spilled it, but it's okay. We can still eat it. Yum.
Anong movie papanoorin natin? We were gonna look na, no? Maghanap na tayo ng
We
papanoorin
were
natin.
gonna watch Come on, Batman, right?
I don't know.
Huh?
The Jurassic Rebirth. Yun nga tayo
Sabi
papanoorin.
you can watch that. Is it allowed for kids?
Hindi siya pwede kasi hindi pala pwedeng HDMI nung TV. Just in the Netflix na lang. No tayo sa Netflix. Alright guys, so manonood kami. Magtitingin pa kami na papanorin namin sa Netflix. Can you please get the remote, Merita? We were gonna check if what movie are we going to watch.
But there's only 2 of us.
While we were waiting for Papa, we were gonna choose na para pag nandito na si Papa, we were just gonna watch na lang. Dahan-dahan, Mary, at matatapon yan. Pag
Okay,
natapon
okay,
yan,
I'm
ikaw ang
gonna
maglilinis.
I'm gonna eat it. Look, my nose is so big. But it's just fun. But look at
Sarap? Yung kinuha pala namin na flavor ng popcorn is yung cheese.
that's in others.
Ayan, yung cheese yung kinuha namin flavor. Sarap.
So many cool. That one. That one.
Tatapon.
What?
Matatapon.
But I want that one. I want Barbie. I want Barbie. I want that one. I want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that.
You like that movie?
Yeah.
Yan na lang. Nanonood
Uh-huh.
daw kami ng Yes Day! Yan na lang daw. Yes Day. Yun na lang panoorin namin. Yes Day.
I
Mukha
just
naman
a
siyang fan, no?
but it's just it's in popcorn.
Tingnan mo, ah. Hindi pa nag-start yung movie night namin. Naubos na yung popcorn. Can you please get your water so that you can drink water as well? Alright, guys. So, dito na namin tatapusin ang aming vlog for today. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video. Bye!
Ah.